To import citation into EndNote, first, go to the RMIT Library website. Log into your RMIT account. Then enter the keywords in the search bar. Choose the article you're looking for. Then choose Export RIS and select UTF-8 to download. Open the downloaded file in your device. Once imported, check the reference details in your EndNote library. To organize references in EndNote and create new groups. Drag and drop relevant references into your groups. To insert citations into Microsoft Word, first, open Microsoft Word. Select EndNote 21 in the ribbon. Go back to EndNote and select the citations. Then in Word, choose Insert Citation and choose Insert Selected Citation.